In a world that cherishes the beauty of diversity and the spirit of unity, there is a game that brings us all together. Football, a game of passion, dreams, and unparalleled excitement.
پیشنهاد دارم که نقش فوتبال در سطح جهانی اعتراف کرده در سازمان ملل متحد روز جهانی فوتبال از طریق قبول قطعنامه مخصوص مجمع عمومی سازمان ملل متحد رسما اعلام گردد.
The initiative of World Football Day sprang from the heart of Tajikistan, championed by the President of the National Football Federation. It is a vision that transcends borders, celebrating the universal love for football and its power to inspire, unite, and bring joy to people across the globe. This dream became a global recognition when the United Nations General Assembly officially adopted World Football Day, facilitated by Tajikistan, Bahrain, and Libya, marking a historic milestone not just for our country, but for the whole world. From the streets of Dushanbe to the fields of rural villages and the grand stadiums of the world, football speaks a universal language of joy, resilience, and hope. World Football Day is more than just a day. It's a movement, a call to celebrate our shared desire to foster peace and to build bridges between communities through the love of the game. As we embrace World Football Day, let us remember the spirit of solidarity and the shared passion that football ignites in the hearts of millions. Here is to celebrating the game that unites us all.